The entry-level Cayenne Diesel gets a permanent 4-wheel drive system, post-collision braking system, 18-in alloy wheels, bi-xenon headlights, LED day running lights, electrically adjustable, folding and heated wing mirrors, dual-zone climate control, electrically adjustable front seats, cruise control, parking sensors, a leather upholstery and Porsche's communication management infotainment system complete with sat-nav, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, DAB radio and a 7.0 and touchscreen display. Upgrading to Cayenne S or S diesel adds stainless steel pedals, a quad exhaust system and Porsche's active 4-wheel drive system, while the Cayenne S E-Hybrid gets various hybrid management technology and software and adaptive suspension. The sporty-looking GTS gains an Alcantara upholstery, a sporty body kit, 20-in alloy wheels, adaptive bi-xenon headlights and LED foglights. The range-topping turbo model gets 19-in alloy wheels, LED headlights, automatic dimming mirrors, 18-way adjustable sports seats, adaptive air suspension front and rear heated seats and a Bose sound system, while the boombastic Cayenne Turbo S gets adaptive LED headlights, a two-tone leather upholstery, numerous carbon fiber interior touches, a torque vectoring system,